Hi there everybody, just done a bit more work on the garage and workshop after school. I've been digging another post hole for the wall at the end there. Let me show you. This post hole hasn't gone down as deep, or should I say it has gone as deep, but obviously the ground's higher up than it is on that post down there and the other three. So that's as far as I'm going to go. Also, I think I need another 50 mil on it, but I've hit a rock down there. And I remember when the land was built up, there was a lot of these rocks. So I think that's what's at the bottom of my post hole. But it's like some kind of iron ore. As you can see, I've put a steel beam across the top there just to get the level. So I'm going to go up and I'm going to measure from the top, from the bottom of the beam rather, to the bottom of the post hole. Okay, I'll just stand you up there. So there we go, it's pretty level. Oh, you okay? Okay, we've got about 3 meters and 20 millimeters, so we're shy of about 30 millimeters on that. Not a lot I can do about it. I can't go down anymore, and I don't really want to start trying to break the rock up at the bottom of the hole there. There's two options. I could either cut a little bit off the top, there's room for that, only 30 mil, or I could just lay a 20 mil plinth at the bottom. Obviously there's a strong stone underneath it, so that might be the preferred option. Just quickly show you the beam I put in on part 2. Start to go off, it's still not cured properly, as you can see. It's going to take a couple of weeks, and I've just started backfilling some of the dirt on this one. So once I get this post in there, I'm going to work on getting this beam in here. I'm going to call it a day today, and hopefully we can get cracking tomorrow. Just come in to get my steel. Nice friendly people here. กี่บาทครับ 4,095 บ้านฟูเงินเลยนะคะรู้ป่ะฟูเงินหมู่รู้ไหมคะหมู่ฮอกตำบลฟูเงินนะคะ 5,000 baht. Okay, get may I say to them, I don't like plastic, just there. You say to them now. Free t-shirt. No, free advertisement. That's where I came and got all the steel for my house. Okay, let's get on home and do some work. Okay, let's go and get the post. This is a builder's merchant at the top of my road. It's where I get all my stuff, keep it local. It's a little bit more expensive than going into town, but not that much. He also does a lot of scrap motorbikes as well. Sawadee Cup. Hello. Post. Summit. Let's go and have a look. Where they make all the posts for the formwork. That's the one. 3 meters. got the steel on the top rather than the step. That'll allow us to weld our beam on there. Our boom cement, song boom, CKL. Okay, the steel's arrived. That was very quick. In fact, I popped in to get the cement. By the time I got back, they were actually here. So another 5 minutes, I'd have missed them. It's galvanised steel, so there's no need to paint this one. I paid an extra, oh, must be an extra 300 baht. But it saves a lot of hard work with the paint. The steel for the beam is here. It's going to be my first port of call today, is to make the steel beam up to go in here. I'll set the cement for the next post to go in, and I can crack on getting the roof done, seal it all in so we can work even if it rains. Okay, let's get cracking. I've got my free shirt on. It was given to me by the steel company. The beam's going to be 4,400 millimeters long. So I've cut the steel. I'm going to reinforce it with this rectangular steel. Make yourself a beam. The beam's arrived. Put you down there a minute. Leg, my bên ơi. Let's hope the hole's going to be wide enough. Keep power. I don't think that's going to be big enough. Yeah, my bye. Đều. My D, my leg.
Oh, leg. Look leg. Oh, look.
Put it down.
Oh.
Look leg. Okay, my bad. I'll take it out. Put it over a bit. Yeah.
Look leg.
Yeah, my bad. I'll do it when I. Okay, khop khunครับ Yeah, leg my D, yeah. Looks like the hole's a little bit too small to accept the bottom of the post. I'm going to have to dig it out a little bit. It's only a couple of inches either side, so I'll do that later once I've got my beam made up, and I'll get my nephew Leo to help me in with the posts later. Khop khunครับ Oh dear. Never mind you. So I've put 5 loops in so far. Just give you an idea of how I put it together. I've pre-cut my wires. I know I did say in my previous video I like to weld these, but to be honest I'm not happy with the breaker. It keeps tripping out on me. So I've decided just to wire them up. Won't take long. I mean, this took me only sort of 10 minutes. So I should be able to get the rest of it done in the next hour. Then we'll drill it and put it in place. I had to take my shirt off because it got getting a bit warm, but it'll give me a good chance to promote the steel company. There you go. TC Steel. Highly recommended. D-Mark. May pang. Not expensive. Service. D-Mark. 100%. 100% good service. Okay, let's get cracking. Well, there's the beam, all finished. Took me about 2 hours to do this. Yeah, quite happy with that. So next job on the list, I'm going to drill the holes in the 2 posts over there and get the beam in place. Then we can get the shuttering in place and hopefully concrete it in tomorrow. Another day, another dollar. Nice beautiful day this morning. I've put the steel in for the beam. I've supported it the other side. I've supported it with blocks. I'm probably going to put a few more in there. I don't want to get the blowout that I had on the other beam here, if I can help it. Managed to get the post in. Yeah, I got Leo to come over and give me a hand. It was he weighs a bloody ton, and once you get going, there's no stopping, otherwise you're going to drop it. That's virtually spot on. And I've levelled it this side. Oh, excuse me if I'm shaking a bit. Bloody hot, and I'm tired. Well, let's get the concrete for this post in now. I'm going to mix it up in a bucket and let that set. I want to try and get the shuttering finished on this today, and if I can source enough sand from the small pile out the front, I'm going to get that concreted in as well, and we can leave that to set. I managed to get the concrete in today. It's starting to cure already. So let's get this shuttering taken off. And the post has been concreted in as well. So I'm going to get this video made up today. This is going to be part 3 of the garage and workshop build. I think the next job on the agenda is going to either be getting the steel up for the roof, and then we can get some more sheeting on, get it sealed in, or we could work on getting the beam in between the post and the house and the corner post there and the centre post. I think the next job will be to get the steel roof up first. I've run out of sand, I've run out of stones to make the concrete, so that'll have to be ordered up and delivered. I need to find somewhere to put them. So yeah, I think the next port of call will be getting the roof done. Anyway, if you like this video, do give me a thumbs up. Do subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your friends, and please, any comments or any critique, please put it in the comment section below for me. And I'll see you next time.